guys, today we're making healthy spinach and sardine crepes. So let's get started with the ingredients. To make the crepes, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and water required. So we're just going to make a very thin batter, adding the salt, and gradually pouring your water bit by bit and stirring your flour to get a thin batter. Now this should be the consistency of your batter, then rest for 10 minutes. For the filling you will need spinach, you can use any kind, 3 chopped potatoes, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 chopped tomatoes, chopped green chillies to taste, 2 tins of cleaned sardines, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and red chilli to taste, salt to taste. Now in a pan we're going to add a little bit of oil, olive oil. We're going to heat that up. We're going to add in our garlic and let that fry a little. Now we're adding our chopped onions and salt. And mixing that around. Let that fry to a little bit of a brown colour. Now we're going to add the potatoes once they reach the golden brown colour, and our green chillies. Just give that a mix. And let the potatoes cook. Now we're adding our chopped tomatoes once our potatoes are cooked, and our sardines. You can add any fish you want, but it should be boneless. So we're just going to mix that around. Now we're adding our spices and mixing that around. Now we're going to add our spinach. Spinach is very healthy, full of iron and vitamins. You're adding a lot. When you cook it, it becomes a tiny bit. And we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for 3 minutes. So our spinach has gone down, and now we're going to mix it all around. Make sure it's on a medium flame now. Now cook for another 3 minutes on a low flame. Now the filling's done, now we're going to make the crepes. Now to make the crepes, heat up a pan and add a tiny bit of oil, olive oil, and then with a tissue or something, just spread the oil around, or you can use a cloth. Now get a spoonful of your crepe mixture. Then spread it around to make a thin crepe layer and let it fry. As you can see, bubbles form. That's what we want. When the bubbles go away, that's when you know the bottom is cooked, and you turn it over. Now we're going to turn it over and let both sides cook. Now finally, with our crepe, we're just going to add in our filling, add as much as you want. Smells delicious and it's going to be healthy. And we're going to roll it up. So here we have our healthy spinach and sardine crepes. It's very simple and easy to make and it's healthy. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.